I'm Dana.
We'd like to welcome you back to our Facebook Live. This is our last weekly Facebook Live that we have going on.
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll just give a little bit of time for people to log on to watch what we have going on.
Yep. So today, though, we are going to be making a DIY pore strip. So
super exciting.
It is exciting.
Yes. And right now, we do have our Mother's Day sale.
Yes.
Yeah, we can't forget about our Mother's Day sale. So we have 30% off select sets for mom or yourself, you can, whatever you want to do. But It's a great gift for mom. All of our essential oil sets are in there. And then we have select body care sets as well.
We have our salt sets, our soap sets, spa therapy kits, everything.
Yeah, so awesome time to stock up.
That's pretty exciting. And it ends the 7th, right?
Yes, so Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you order by the 7th, you'll definitely get your Mother's Day gift by Mother's Day. And we do have gift wrap. So if you aren't great at wrapping like I am, or you just want to ship it to her directly, you can do that and we can gift wrap it for you.
Absolutely.
Yes, for only $6.
Yeah.
So it's affordable if you want to go that route.
A little something extra.
Yeah, a little something extra. All right, so let's just get right into the pore strip.
Okay, so with the pore strip, you will need 1 tablespoon of gelatin, unflavored gelatin, or unscented.
Unflavored, yeah. And gelatin kind of has a smell.
It does kind of smell a little bit. Okay, so that is 1 tablespoon. And then 1 tablespoon of hot water. And you want hot so the gelatin melts and mixes together. Okay. And then you'll just need 1 to 2 drops of tea tree. Not very much.
Not too much. We'll just mix it all together. Oh, it's already hardening.
It is already getting pretty sticky.
So you want to just apply it right away, right?
Go for it.
Okay, I'm just going to use my fingers. Happy Friday, Donna.
Hi, Donna.
Yeah, so it hardens
it hardens pretty fast.
Maybe a little bit more hot water?
More hot water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think did we move too slow?
We may have.
We might have. Okay.
Let me add a little bit more gelatin.
Okay.
We're making it for the both of us. So.
Yes, we need enough for my big face.
No, not the full face.
Yeah, if you do put it on your full face, you have to be super careful because if you have peach fuzz or any hair on your face, it's a peel off. So it's definitely going to peel off.
It will take the hair with it.
Yeah, it'll take whatever hair you have with it.
Okay, get in there.
Okay. There you go.
More liquidy this time.
I feel like you can kind of feel the tea tree.
Yeah, it is kind of...
You know when you put like a mentee face mask on and it kind of it feels like it's opening up your pores? This is what it feels. It looks really gross, but this is what it feels. That's what it feels like.
It definitely dries super fast.
Yeah, it does.
You have to apply it very quickly.
Right, so if you're going to be making this, I think I got my whole notes. If you're going to be making this, then definitely do apply it right away because, it is a gelatin and the purpose is to apply it before it's too sticky so that it sticks to your face instead of sticks to itself in there.
Sure.
So the reason why we use tea tree today is because tea tree is great to fight acne. It has a lot of... Sorry, I'm cleaning off my fingers. It has antibacterial properties and antifungal properties. It's funny, I can really feel...
Really?
Yeah, I feel it.
Feel it too.
I can definitely feel the tea tree, like...
It's kind of like a cooling sensation.
Yeah, it does feel very cooling. So you definitely want to apply this to freshly washed skin. You don't want to apply it if you have dirty skin or anything like that, because it's not going to do what it's supposed to do, which is remove those blackheads.
Yes. And clarify your face.
And clarify your skin. Yes.
So we're just going to wait a few minutes for it to dry.
Yeah, so if it's still a little sticky on your face where it kind of like comes off on your fingers, that means it's not time to peel it off. Hopefully it doesn't hurt too much.
It shouldn't.
It shouldn't. Well, while we're here, so this is our last Facebook Live that we're going to be doing weekly.
Yes.
We are going to be focusing on other cool things for you guys, like making sure that we can get you guys cool new products, cool new content. We're glad you didn't miss us, Susan.
Hi, Susan.
Hair removal chiefly. Yeah. Oh, man.
I guess it would work for that, too.
Yeah. If you dare.
Wax your own lips.
Self-inflicted pain is, like, the worst.
Oof.
Ugh. Well, this is going to be fun to take off, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Definitely. So we're going to be focusing on other cool things for you guys. It doesn't mean that we're not going to do any Facebook Lives ever again.
Yeah, we'll still have some in the future.
Yes.
Just not regularly scheduled.
Exactly. So, like, if we come out with cool stuff for you guys and want to show you guys cool stuff or teach you anything, we'll hop on Facebook Live and chat with you just like old times.
And we'll still be coming out with videos and other content. So.
Yes, so this is not the last that you'll see of us. We'll be doing other videos and cool stuff as well.
Yeah.
So it's exciting times.
It's still a little sticky.
I wonder if fanning it will help a little bit. It feels really cold when you...
Yeah.
Wow. I like it.
It's
Teach
super
you plus
hot today,
you missed
so
the beginning. So it's gelatin, unflavored gelatin, which you can get at your local grocery store, and hot water. So basically, like you're making your own little Jell-O.
Yeah.
And then 2 drops of tea tree, Mary, and to make your own peel off.
Pore strip.
Pore strip. Yeah. I mean, you can do your whole face. It doesn't mean that you can only do it for your nose. You can put it onto your entire face. But if you have peach fuzz, like you're saying, and you're peeling it off, it's going to hurt.
It's going to take the hair off.
Yeah, it's definitely going to take the hair off with it.
And that's a little bit painful.
I'm not ready for that type of commitment.
Is yours drying?
I think I didn't apply it evenly. Try to apply it evenly. I don't know what happened with.
We don't have a mirror.
True. Can't really see ourselves that well, but I'm trying to apply it evenly so that it dries all at the same time.
Yeah.
So you can use your hands like we did, but you can also use like a spoon, or if you have like those wooden sticks. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Is it helping?
Yeah.
It's so hot today, so this feels kind of nice.
It does feel nice. But,
okay, mine's dry except for like this spot right here.
I think mine is too. Okay, you go start peeling it off.
I'm gonna try.
I'm just gonna watch you.
So you're gonna want to peel it off.
I think mine's really a lot thicker than yours.
Yeah.
Oh, does it hurt?
It doesn't hurt that bad. I mean, it's peeling.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard because I can't see myself. But
I can see you. I can see it. I'm gonna start peeling mine.
I mean, it just feels like a if you've ever used like a store brand or store bought
put it in here.
Strip, that's kind of what it feels like. So not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it doesn't hurt too bad.
I noticed that like in the spots that I did a little thicker, like it peels off better. So you want to make sure it's like thick enough probably to be able to peel.
Yeah. I think I did a little too thick on some spots. Oh, the thin spots hurt really bad. If you did it thin anyway, okay. Yeah, so the thinner it is, yeah, when it's super dried down, like, because I applied it unevenly, so definitely apply it in front of a mirror, but the dry down parts you'll definitely feel that. I don't think I got this part of my nose. And you can use a different essential oil. We use tea tree because of the benefits of tea tree, but you can use oils like Lavender is really good for skin.
Lavandin.
Oh, I love lavender.
Niaouli would be a good one.
Yeah. Eucalyptus. I wonder how well this would be if you're a little congested and you put on a nose strip that has like eucalyptus
in it.
Oh, breathe.
Breathe.
Maybe sleep with it overnight. I wonder. I don't know. I'm not saying try it, but
no.
Maybe we'll try it for you, and then we'll tell you how that goes.
Yeah, the more dried parts definitely hurt a little bit more.
Yeah.
But it's nothing that I haven't like experienced before with like store-bought ones.
Or if you get your eyebrows waxed.
Oh yeah, same feeling.
Same feeling.
Actually, not as bad. It's not really ripping any hair out.
Yeah. Well, you don't really have hair.
Not too bad.
On your nose. I mean, you might. I don't know.
I don't.
Yeah, I don't either. I think that's why it doesn't hurt too bad. So,
I think I got most of it.
Yeah, I think the rest I'll just get with a warm towel. There we go.
Yeah, if there's residue, just
use a warm
wash your face off.
Yeah.
Rinse your face.
You can see this one. I'm trying to use this as like a mirror, but I can't really.
I can see my nose. Like, you can see where I applied it and ripped it off. It's getting a little red.
Yeah. My nose feels really good. The tea tree really, I was not expecting it to feel so cooling.
Thanks, Susan. That's awesome. I'm glad you enjoyed the weekly videos.
Do you have to peel off the mask, or can you use a warm washcloth?
We did peel off because usually the peel off ones, like, they'll take the pores out, the blackheads, I mean.
Yeah.
But you can wash it off as well. If you want.
Yeah, for this mask, we'd suggest peeling it off. That's kind of the purpose for it, is to kind of peel off the blackheads and things like that if you have those on your face. If you don't have blackheads or anything, I wouldn't suggest doing really a peel off mask. If you save yourself the pain. And save yourself the trouble. We do have other really cool masks that we've made in the past. You can check out our YouTube channel for things like that.
Yeah.
But also, since this is our last Facebook Live, if you guys have any DIY recipes that you want us to show you, or products that you want to learn about, we are still going to be making videos, and we will gladly take your suggestions and create the videos for you, because we want you guys to know how to use our Plantlife products and other cool ways to use the Plantlife products that aren't so traditional.
Yeah.
That you can,
Definitely.
Yeah.
So,
make sure you guys check out our Mother's Day sale, 30% off our select sets using code Mother's Day, which ends on Tuesday. And it's been fun, right?
It has been fun.
Yep. So we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys for watching, and we will see you in the very soon future.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.